Come on in, welcome to my home. You caught me in the middle of baking up desserts for the family that's coming in. The 3 recipes that you will see at the beginning of January are those 3 recipes. And so, this one is actually something simple because I understand. You're probably burnt out from making all of those cakes and cookies and things from Christmas, and you still need to do a dessert, and you still want to do a January dessert, but you don't know what the temperatures are going to be. So yeah, this one's really easy. It's so simple. Blondies are very, very easy. If you're wondering what a blondie is, it's just a blonde brownie. It's pretty simple. The only thing which you might not have, which we are using, is self-rising flour. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own self-rising flour, just click that eye in the sky. It'll take you to that day where I make self-rising flour. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description, along with links to some of the equipment that I use. It's so easy to make. You can absolutely do this. Let's get started with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my butter and my sugar. Now, the one thing I do want you to remember, my butter was at room temperature, so it's pretty darn soft. I am using raw sugar. You could use just plain sugar. You could use half brown sugar, half plain sugar. It's really up to you. While that's going, I'm going to add in my eggs. Throw in our vanilla. Smells really good already. Dropping that back to low. I've made this mistake of not doing this on low. I'm going to add in my self-rising flour. You want to mix that till it's just incorporated. Then quickly add in your nuts and your chips. That's it. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. My oven has been preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to try to scrape this as best as I can right here. Then I'm going to put that into my pre-greased pan. How thick your batter is going to depend upon your day. It is super, super dry around here today. And I honestly mean super dry. I don't think I remember January being this, like, dry. Alright, now I'm going to take this over to my oven and bake it in the 375 degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes, or until a cake tester stuck down into the center of it comes out clean. Okay, these are out of the oven. I can tell you straight up, these did not come out as pretty as I wanted. However, I can also tell you straight up that these are good because part of them broke apart, and I've been eating it, I'll admit it. Alright, let's give this a taste. I already know how these taste. I will tell you straight up, these are so good. I mean, absolutely fantastic. I don't want to stop eating it. It's a brownie. I mean, it is a brownie without tons of chocolate in it. It has chocolate chips. It's like a chocolate chip brownie. So good, so wonderful. I'm like standing here, looking at this last piece of it, going, I gotta finish this so I can eat the last piece of it. It really is that good. It really is that easy to make. I know this is going to go over wonderfully for the family that's coming over, so I'm excited. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.